I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integrations. Now search and select Trigger, which is Gravity from. Select a form. Click Next. Now here search and select SendFox. Here, give a meaningful integration name as you want. To get Client Auth token, please visit SendFox Access Token. Then click on Create New Token. Give a name of your access token. Then click on Create. Copy the access token. And paste it here. Click on Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now choose an action from the drop-down. I am selecting Create Contact. Then select a list from the drop-down. Now do the field mapping. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to SendFox. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Now go to SendFox. Then go to your desired contact list. Here is the data that came into SendFox through the integration. Thanks for watching our video.